Hello, everyone. Welcome to StoryTone English. Today, we are going to explore Japan's infrastructure development. We will take a journey through its cities, transportation systems, energy projects, and urban planning. Let's begin. Japan is known worldwide for its advanced infrastructure. From high-speed trains to earthquake-resistant buildings, the country has invested heavily in developing systems that support its population efficiently. The story of Japan's infrastructure is a story of innovation, resilience, and planning. Let's start with transportation. Japan's railway system is one of the most advanced in the world. The Shinkansen, also known as the bullet train, connects cities at speeds of up to 320 kilometers per hour. These trains are punctual, safe, and extremely comfortable. Imagine a business traveler leaving Tokyo at 8 a.m. and arriving in Osaka by 10:30 a.m. Such efficiency is possible because of meticulous planning and constant innovation. In addition to high-speed trains, Japan has a dense network of local trains and subways. Cities like Tokyo and Osaka have underground rail systems that carry millions of passengers daily. Stations are clean, organized, and equipped with digital displays for easy navigation. People in Japan often plan their daily routines around train schedules because reliability is so high. Road infrastructure is also impressive. Japan has extensive highways connecting urban and rural areas. Expressways are well maintained with toll systems and electronic payment options. Traffic management is highly organized, and road safety measures, such as speed monitoring and clear signage, are strictly implemented. Even in busy cities, traffic flows efficiently due to planning and strict adherence to rules. Let's discuss urban development. Japanese cities are known for blending modern skyscrapers with traditional architecture. Urban planners focus on space optimization, ensuring that both residential and commercial areas are efficiently designed. In Tokyo, for example, you can find high-rise office buildings next to parks, shrines, and shopping streets. Public spaces are designed to be functional, safe, and aesthetically pleasing. Japan is also a leader in earthquake-resistant construction. The country is located in a seismically active region, so engineers have developed advanced technologies to protect buildings and infrastructure. Skyscrapers have flexible foundations, shock absorbers, and vibration control systems. Even bridges and highways are designed to withstand earthquakes, ensuring safety and minimizing disruption. Water management and flood control are another important aspect. Japan experiences heavy rainfall and typhoons, so infrastructure for water drainage and flood prevention is critical. Large underground tunnels, river embankments, and dams help manage water flow and prevent urban flooding. Cities like Tokyo have elaborate systems that can store excess rainwater underground during storms. Energy infrastructure is also advanced. Japan invests in renewable energy, such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power. Smart grids and efficient energy distribution systems ensure that electricity reaches homes and businesses reliably. After the 2011 Fukushima disaster, Japan has prioritized safety and diversification in energy production, balancing nuclear, renewable, and traditional sources. Technology integration is a key part of Japan's infrastructure. Smart transportation systems, automated ticketing, and real-time traffic monitoring enhance efficiency. Cities use sensors and data analytics to optimize traffic, manage public transport, and maintain facilities. For example, train delays are rare, and if they occur, Real-time announcements and notifications help passengers plan accordingly. Japan also focuses on sustainable development. Urban projects often include green spaces, energy-efficient buildings, and environmentally friendly materials. Public transportation reduces the reliance on private cars, lowering carbon emissions. Cities encourage recycling, water conservation, and clean energy usage, integrating sustainability into infrastructure planning. Ports and airports are vital to Japan's economy. Major ports such as Yokohama and Kobe handle millions of containers annually, supporting trade and industry. Airports like Narita and Haneda in Tokyo are highly efficient, handling large numbers of domestic and international travelers smoothly. Advanced logistics and infrastructure make Japan a hub for global business and trade. Community and social infrastructure are also strong. Hospitals, schools, and public facilities are strategically built to serve local populations efficiently. Emergency preparedness is prioritized, with community shelters, evacuation routes, and disaster drills conducted regularly. The focus is on creating safe, livable, and resilient communities. High-speed internet and digital infrastructure play a crucial role. Japan is a leader in connectivity, with fiber optic networks, public Wi-Fi, and smart city technologies. Digital infrastructure supports business, education, and daily life, allowing people to work, study, and communicate effectively. Transportation, urban planning, energy, and technology come together to create a highly functional society. Japan's infrastructure is not only about efficiency, but also about quality of life, safety, and environmental responsibility. The careful planning and continuous improvement of these systems reflect a commitment to long-term sustainability and resilience. In summary, Japan's infrastructure development is a story of innovation, resilience, and careful planning. From bullet trains to earthquake-proof skyscrapers, from smart energy grids to sustainable urban design, every aspect of infrastructure contributes to a high quality of life. By studying these systems, we can learn valuable lessons in engineering, urban planning, and sustainable development. Thank you for joining me in this detailed discussion about Japan's infrastructure development. Observe, learn, and appreciate how thoughtful planning can shape a country's success. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.